please write at the top of your paper prepositions. So right here, prepositions. That is what you're going to write at the top of your paper, prepositions. And we are going to, I'm going to tell you what prepositions are, but first, can you number your paper 1 to 10? So you're going to write down 1 to 10, and we're going to write prepositions. Now, prepositions are a part of speech. These are the parts of speech: noun, verb, adjective, adverb, conjunction, preposition, pronoun, interjection. So hopefully this is a review. Hopefully you remember what all these things are, but right now we're going to concentrate on prepositions. So let's come down here and read what a preposition is. A preposition is a word that shows the relationship between a subject and some other word in the sentence. The bird flew through the air. In this example, the word through is a preposition because it is used to show the relationship between the word flew and the air. Okay, so we're going to underline the prepositions. So we see the bird flew through the air. I was wondering if I can copy and paste this. Let's see. I don't think I can do that on here. That's okay. Is this underlined? Oh yeah, I think it's underlined. Okay, so here we go. Perfect. The mouse ran across the room. How did the mouse move? The mouse ran across the room. So it connects the mouse to the room there. Okay, so the chair is beside the table. Let's try and figure out where this chair is in relation to the table. It's beside the table. So that should be your answer for number 2. Let's go to number 3. I am at the university. Where is she? We seem to have lost our little marker here. See if I can go get that back. That was working well. Shoot, I don't know why that went away. Okay. Anyway, I am at the university. Oh, here, maybe this will work here. Where am I? I am at. Now let me just check my answer key and make sure that I have that one right, because I wonder if I made a mistake. Across, beside, at. Under, in, above, around, onto, out of, and over. Okay. I just really wanted to double check on that. So here we go, back to our work. Okay, the crocodile is under the water. Where is he in relation to the water? Under. We are in English class. Where are we in regards to English class? In. The spotlight hangs above the street. Where does that spotlight hang in regards to the street? It hangs above. Okay, oh, you know what? I also wanted to make this just a little bigger for you. Okay, let's see. I'm so sorry. Oh gosh, that's definitely bigger. Okay. So now that it's bigger, let's go back and see if you guys have it so far. You got across for number 1. The mouse is across, the chair is beside, I am at, the crocodile is under, we are in, the spotlight is above, and the children are, take your guess, take your guess, take your guess. Did you guess around? Okay, my cat jumped where? Where did cat jump? Onto. I really want you guys to try this by yourself before I give the answer. Do the last 2 and then I'll do it. Actually, you know what? I'm not going to do the last 2. I want you guys to totally do number 9 and 10 yourself. When you sing, the sound comes where? Give you hints. 1 or 2 words. Okay. The river runs where? So where is the singing coming from in relation to the mouth? Where is the river coming from in relationship to the rocks? So get number 9 and 10 done by yourself. And then over here, you're going to make 2 sentences using your own prepositions. So you can write any sentences you want. For example, maybe you will say the book is on top of the table. Or maybe you'll say we are coming out of the movie theater. Or maybe you will say I'm going to walk over the bridge. So any one of those will work. If you can't figure out one on your own, use the internet and type in sentence with a, what did we say we were doing? Sentence with a preposition. So right here, I'm going to even highlight that for you. Oh, shucks, not everything. Sentence with a preposition. So you've got all these prepositions done. You did the last 2 by yourself, and now you're going to write me 2 sentences with a preposition. That's 12 things you guys had to do to be done for today, so that should be pretty easy. Don't